Next, WBC. WBC are leukocytes. These are colorless, and a nucleated cell. WBCs are colorless and a nucleated cell. Colorless. WBC does not contain hemoglobin, so it is colorless. It has nucleus. So these cells are called complete cells. Complete cells. Complete cells. WBCs are complete cells. Complete cells because it has nucleus and cell organelles. In RBC are incomplete cells because they doesn't have nucleus and cell organelles. So RBC is incomplete cell, WBC is complete cell. The cell shapes are irregular or spherical in shape. These cells are WBC are irregular or spherical in shape. They shows diapepsis. Diapepsis means WBC shows migration. WBC migrates from blood vessel to extravascular tissues. Extravascular tissues. During allergic infections, WBC migrates from blood vessel to extravascular tissue. This process is called diapepsis. Important. Diapepsis. WBCs are compared with RBC. WBCs are large size and less in number. RBC and WBC is 500:1. The ratio of RBC and WBC is 500:1. The total number of leukocytes per cubic millimeter of blood is 6,000 to 8,000. Production of RBC is called leukopoiesis. Leukopoiesis means formation of RBC is called leukopoiesis. Leukopenia. Decrease in the number of WBC is called leukopenia. Leukopenia means decrease in the number of WBC is called leukopenia. Slightly increase of WBC is called leukocytosis. During allergic infections, the WBC number is slightly increases. It is called leukocytosis. Abnormal increase of WBC is called leukemia. Abnormal increase of WBC is called leukemia. It is also called blood cancer. Formation of WBC is called leukopoiesis. Decrease the number of WBC is called leukopenia. Slightly increases of WBC is called leukocytosis. Abnormal increase of WBC is called leukemia. WBCs are based on the presence of granules. These are two types, granulocytes and agranulocytes. In granulocytes, the cytoplasm contains granules. these granules takes different types of stains. Different types of stains. These are neutral, acidic or basic dyes. These takes neutral dyes or acidic dyes or basic dyes. Thus, in granulocytes, the nucleus is divided into different types of lobes. Each of the lobe shows different types of shapes. So, these are called, granulocytes are called polymorphonuclear leukocytes. Polymorphonuclear leukocytes. Polymorphonuclear leukocytes. Granulocytes are polymorphonuclear leukocytes. It means poly means many, morpho means shapes. Granulocytes nucleus is divided into many lobes, and these lobes shows different shapes. So, granulocytes are polymorphonuclear leukocytes. Based on the staining property, these granulocytes are divided into basophils, eosinophils, and neutrophils. Basophils are, the number of basophils are, the percentage 0.5 to 1% of total leukocytes. The nucleus is divided into irregular lobes. Nucleus is divided into irregular lobes. The granules, the cytoplasmic granules are fewer and irregular in shape. Few and irregular. Basophils produce histamine and bradykinin. These also produce mast cells. Histamine and bradykinins are vasodilators. These takes the cytoplasmic granules takes basic dyes. The cytoplasmic granules takes basic dyes. So these are called basophils. Next, eosinophils. These occupies 2 to 3% of total leukocytes. The nucleus is bilobed nucleus. Nucleus is divided into two lobes. So, bilobed nucleus. Cytoplasm contains larger granules. Eosinophils takes eosin dyes. It takes acidic dyes. The acidic dye is eosin. These eosinophils are increased during allergic infections, allergic or helminthic or allergic. During helminthic or allergic infections, basophil number is increased. It is called eosinophilia. Increased number of eosinophils is called eosinophilia. During helminthic or allergic infections, these cells are increased. This is called eosinophilia. Next, neutrophils. Neutrophils are 60 to 65 percentage. Neutrophils occupies 60 to 65 percentage of total leukocytes. The nucleus is divided into many lobes that are 2 to 5 lobes. Nucleus is divided into many lobes, 2 to 5 lobes. The cytoplasmic granules are small and more number of cytoplasmic granules are present. The cytoplasmic granules takes neutral dyes. These are phagocytic cells. Important. These are most phagocytic cells. They engulf foreign particles or dead cells. The nucleus contain drumstick body. It is called bar body. The nucleus contain drumstick body or bar body. It is the extra X chromosome. It is inactive X chromosome. It is present in the mammal females. It is present in the mammal females only. It helps for the identification of sex determination. Bar body helps for the identification of sex determination. Eosinophils removes antigen-antibody complex. Eosinophils removes antigen-antibody complexes. Neutrophils are phagocytic cells. Most important, neutrophils are phagocytic cells. These cells are also called microscopic policemen. Neutrophils are also called microscopic policemen because of the phagocytic nature. Agranulocytes. Granules are absent in agranulocytes. Nucleus does not divide it into lobes. Agranulocytes are two types, lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocytes. These are 20 to 25 percentage. These occupies 20 to 25 percentage of the total leukocytes. The nucleus is large. The lymphocyte cell is smaller and round shape, but nucleus is larger size. Cytoplasm is peripheral. Large nucleus and cytoplasm, peripheral cytoplasm. Functionally, lymphocytes are divided into two types. B lymphocytes, B cells and T cells. These two cells are derived from bone marrow. But functionally, these are maturation. B cells are matured in bone marrow. T cells are matured in thymus. B cells are matured in bone marrow and T cells are matured in thymus. So these are called B cells and T cells. B cells produce antibodies. T cells does not produce antibodies. B cells, only B cells are produce antibodies. The lifespan of lymphocytes are few days to many years. Next, monocytes. These are 6 to 8 percentage. These occupy 6 to 8 percentage of total leukocytes. These cells are larger motile cells. These are larger motile cells. The nucleus is kidney shape or reniform shape. These are more actively phagocytic cells. These are more actively motile phagocytic cells. In blood, these are called monocytes. They migrate from the blood into tissues. These are called macrophages. Macrophages are derived from monocytes. Next, platelets. These are also called thrombocytes. Platelets. These are colorless, non-nucleated, and oval shaped cells. Are biconvex cells. Platelets are colorless, non-nucleated, oval shaped cells. The number of cells 1.5 lakhs to 3.5 lakhs. It contains 1.5 to 3.5 for the cubic millimeter of blood. Platelets are derived from megakaryocytes. These are special cells present in the bone marrow. These megakaryocytes are fragments to produce platelets. Platelets are derived from megakaryocytes by the process of fragmentation. These platelets produce some substance. Most of these substance involved in the blood clotting mechanism. Most of these substance involved in the clotting mechanism. For example, thromboplastin. Thromboplastin released from the platelets. It is involved in the blood clotting mechanism. The average lifespan is 5 to 9 days. The average lifespan of platelets are 5 to 9 days. Platelets adhere to the damaged endothelial lining of blood vessel to seal the minor vascular openings.